Isa po sa mga nangungunang kandidato sa Miss Universe ang pambato ng Pilipinas na si Venus Ra. Venus visited our studios yesterday and here is our interview. The stars have aligned for the heavenly Venus Ra, the Philippines' bet for the 2010 Miss Universe crown. The half Filipina, half Indian beauty is a favorite in this year's pageant. And today she joins us here on Balitang America. Welcome, Venus.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Okay, ano ang pakiramdam? Because you are representing the country in such a very hopeful period in our history. How do you feel about that?
I feel very, very honored na at last, being here in Miss Universe is not an easy way for me. I've gone through a lot. And parang finally I'm here and I'm very, very honored. At last, I am representing my country, the Philippines.
Pero Venus, ang daming mga nagsasabing front-runner ka daw. Ito may additional pressure para sa iyo na manalo.
Hindi naman po. Parang actually nakakadagdag siya ng confidence na alam mo na ganun yung pakiramdam ng mga tao sa Pilipinas na kahit papano, kahit minsan feeling mo pagod na pagod ka sa araw na yon, pag iniisip mo na sobrang laki ng tiwala nila sa'yo, nawawala lahat ng pagod kasi iniisip mo sila naniniwala sa akin.
Alam mo, Venus, napakaganda ng kwento mo. Para bang pang-maalaala mo kaya, hindi ba? Kapamilya, she had a very, very humble beginning. She was raised by a single mother, an OFW from Qatar. And as an infant, an Arab even offered to buy you from your mother, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, so how did that help to you get where you are right now? Paano itong karanasan na ito?
Actually, those experiences, lahat ng pinagdaanan ko from my childhood years hanggang sa lumaki ako, parang it's something that made me very strong and made me realize na parang life is so beautiful na kahit mahirap ka, kahit anong klaseng pamilya meron ka, pag alam mong mahal ka ng pamilya mo, mahal ka ng mga magulang mo at ng mga kaibigan mo, ang dami-daming taong nagmamahal sa'yo, there's no reason to give up. It's like you have to fight for whatever things that you know.
Napakaganda nitong attitude at yung positive outlook mo. And alam mo kasi yung ibang tao na single, anak sila ng single parent, di ba? They're using it as an excuse para nang sa ganun hindi sila maka-abante sa buhay. What is your advice para dun sa mga ibang anak ng single parent?
Well, maraming nagsasabi that, yeah, you're born out of wedlock. So what? Parang, I don't care. Parang ako, pasalamat ako at pinanganak ako kahit hindi ko nakilala yung tatay ko, or I know if my father would know how or where I am now, I believe he would be very, very happy. And I am very thankful na at least pinanganak ako sa mundong to, at least naranasan ko kung anong ganda ng buhay meron.
Sabi mo yung tungkol dun sa father mo na hindi mo pa siya nakikilala, di ba? And now you are a celebrity. Meron na bang pagkakataon na nag-communicate na siya sa'yo? Or are you hoping that with this celebrity status that you have now, you would finally be able to find your father, your long-lost father?
I'm hoping. Actually, I've been searching him in Google, and pagka meron akong nakikitang Vincent Ra, and then I am like sending message to this person, pero nagre-reply, but then sabi nila, oh, I'm sorry, but I'm not the one that you're looking for. But I'm still hopeful. Let's say.
Okay, assuming there's a possibility that he is somewhere here in America or where there is a Filipino channel at nanonood siya sa'yo ngayon, kausapin mo siya, ano yung message na gusto mong sabihin sa father mo?
Well, I am just thankful. I'm very, very thankful to you, my father. I don't know where you are now, but thank you because I'm here, I am alive, and I will not say bad things to him or siguro sisihin siya sa kung anumang mga bagay na pagkukulang. Never, ever. Siguro sobrang pasasalamat lang, and if there would be a time or siguro an opportunity to hug him and say thank you, I will do that. But I have a stepfather. And siguro that stepfather na kinalakihan ko from the very start, siya na yung minahal ko na parang hindi ko inisip na kahit stepfather lang siya. Parang ano siya parang from the start, pinaranas niya sa akin na, or pinaramdam niya sa akin na tunay niya akong anak. So, it's perfect.
Napakaganda ng sinasabi mo yan. And the confidence and the love that you exude will definitely win that crown. How does this winning the crown affect you or will mean to you? How will this mean to you?
Well, as what I've said, parang being in Miss Universe is not just like achieving my dreams. It's like every Filipino's dream. It's like every Filipino's dream to be like known in the world. So if ever I would win the crown, siguro I am also matutupad ko kung ano man yung mga pangarap ng mga Pilipino na hindi lang yung sariling pangarap ko sa buhay, parang yung buong, like we had the crown for 37 years ago, and ang tagal-tagal na, parang siguro
Sure.
ito naman yung panahon para maibalik natin sa bansa natin.
At definitely moral booster yan para sa
Yes.
atin. Okay, imbitahan mo ang ating mga kapamilya na manood sa
thank
iyo
you
sa
so
pageant.
much. Since my family is not coming, I want to invite every Filipino people here in America to please watch the Miss Universe Beauty Pageant on August 23. It's live in Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino in Las Vegas, and it will be aired also live in NBC. So please do watch. I'm hoping that you will come and clap for me.
All right, talaga, wherever we are, we will be
Yes.
cheering for you,
Thank
and you will
you.
represent the beauty and the intelligence and the grace
Thank you.
of the Filipino people and the
Thank you
Filipino
so much.
nation.
Thank
Good
you.
luck to you and mabuhay
Thank you
ka.
so much
Venus.
po.
Mga kapamilya, nasa Las Vegas na po ang ating kandidatang si Venus, kung saan nagsimula na ang countdown para sa Miss Universe 2010. The festivities kicked off with world-class beauties from 83 countries posing in their swimsuits by the famous fabulous Las Vegas sign. Miss Philippines Venus Ross says Vegas feels like home away from home because of the warm welcome she received from the city's Filipino community. And we wish you, Miss Philippines Venus Raw, the best of luck. The Miss Universe Beauty Pageant will be telecast on August 23rd.